Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be answering the question I usually receive in almost all of my videos, that where did I used to get my IP. So this video is for you guys. You guys that want to know where I usually get my IP, where you should always get your both the free and the paid one. This video is for you guys. So first of all, I'm going to start with the, should we start with the free or paid one? Let's start with the paid one. So for the paid one, I use a website. Actually, there are a lot of websites that offers IP, but the one I use and the one you guys saw me using, I guess that's the one I should recommend for you guys, and that is so. I will use my Chrome, and the site is there are a lot of sites that use to manipulate this one, so I will drop the actual link to this one in the description and you register. Their payment subscription is actually cheap, and their VPN is 100. So now let me go to the plan and explain how the plan works for you. As you can see, this is my account right here. Yeah, plan is active by any audio now. All right, so there's so now you can see their subscription plan. They say first plan is $1 for 3 days, expire in 3 days. They have another plan, 15 daily limit is actually 15, and the price is $2 for 30 days. And they have another plan for 50 daily limit, $3 plan 15 days, and also $5 for 30 days, and much more. The payment actually is in crypto. You pay using any of your crypto. I think they have no, there's no PayPal, but they have, I think crypto payment is actually one of the best, I think, which you should always use. So now let me go to how their IP work if I want to use any of their IP. And so I head over to proxy. When I go to proxy, I scroll down. Yeah, it's loading. So you can see this is the proxy. This is country, region, city, zip code, blacklisted. Anytime you want to use it, if there is yes, if anyone you see yes, which means the IP has been blacklisted, so don't use the IP and the host. So, and there are a lot, some states also you can choose. You can see some countries already: Germany, Canada, South Korea, Bangladesh, any out of here. It's not that much, but at least is better. So now if you want to use an IP, what you just do, you click on the IP, from down from the row of the proxy, you click the IP, then you can see your IP here. So you copy, so you go to any of your IP server, or any of your IP VPN that you want to use. I will be using the both sock here. I'll be using sock dread and turn to tap for this example, for you, for to show you guys how to use both the turn to tap and sock dread. So first of all, let's start with the turn to tap. So you can see the IP is quite long, which is because it have authentication, which is username and password. The IP has username and password. So the first one here before the column is the username. So you copy it, and here you enable the authentication, because remember I said the IP has authentication. So yours might be empty, so you just paste it there. And this right here, remember I do not copy the column, I just copy the text within the column and the at, or what is it called. So you cut it also and paste. So you just remove the column and the at and connect. So let's now watch the ad. I'm just trying to skip that. All right, so now let's show you example. Let's go to our And yeah, let's search for location now. My location. All right, you can see now United States and everything. I'm using a config VPN. That's why the location from the first browsing did not show. I config the location actually, so it only works when I particularly use an IP searcher. That's why when I use this IP, you can see that it's in United States, and the organization I'm using, this wing stream, is the is the host, of the network. So um all right, and I can actually use this to log into my Talkatone for you to show you guys. Let's check. So let's wait for the connection to be okay, and we leave. All right, so you can see the connection is okay. So that's it on how to use the turn to tap. Let me first tap it. All right, so now we're going to use the other software. I'm just actually using all the tutorial for you. You can choose anyone to use, either the turn to tap or software. Software is not available in Play Store. You have to use APK sites to search for it. So in case you want to use it, that's what I'm saying. So, but you can just use the turn to tap. So now let's use the free method now to get our IP. So the free method, I always say, is the current and only app that give you free proxy. Now is this socks proxy. So if you open the socks proxy, it's full of bunch of ads. That's where they earn their money to get you the free proxy. The advertisement is where they earn their money to give you the free proxy. All right, so you can see there are a lot of IPs right here. Some are active and some are not active. So you check the ones that are active are the one with these green marks here. Let's brush the green marks here. You can see them. They are the ones that are active. Why the other ones with red, I guess, and these reds, they are not actually active. So you check on them. Sometimes when you are trying to use the one that is active, and before you use it, you find out that it's not active anymore, so you have to use another one. And all right, so you can see, you just click on this watch advertisement and the IP will pop up, and if it has username and password, it will also pop out the username. And without the username, you just disable the authentication. Don't use the authentication if it does not have usernames. So you just connect, and that's how to use it. And I'm sure if you have watched it, read this limit, you should have known how to get your IP by now. As you see, you can use $1 to get your IP for 15 days. And I think the daily limit is you can get 15 IP in a day. So, and I don't think you'll be able to use 15 IP in a day. I think 5 6 is okay. For 15 days with just $1. So don't miss out this opportunity.